Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TD Ameritrade to TradingView in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, when you come here on tradingview.com and launch any of the charts in front of you, over here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. So this is going to show you the list of all the trusted brokers which you can basically connect with your TradingView account. Now, since we want to connect TD broker over here, you can click on the option of show all broker, then use the search bar on the top right hand corner, then look for TD Ameritrade. As you can see, after typing it, it is showing that nothing found, which means that you can't actually connect TD Ameritrade with TradingView directly as of right now. So in this particular situation, you just have to open a new tab. Over here, you need to simply search for TD Ameritrade. Now, TD Ameritrade Inc. is Charles Schwab. So here, click on the option of charlesschwab.com. Over here, click on the option of login on the top right hand corner. Now, click on the option of schwab.com. Now here, you need to provide your TD Ameritrade login credentials. Then you need to simply log in into your account. You can use TradingView in order to analyze the charts of any of the stocks that are available here. You can also click on the plus icon right next to the watch list and you can add any of the stocks from this particular list. Now, after analyzing the chart, when you want to place the order, you can come here on Charles Schwab website and then you can basically place your order here. This way, you will be able to use TD Ameritrade to TradingView together. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.